guys, it is like circular motion. Guys, we reached Lambasinghi. Oh my god, guys, fine.
This is like the ages of wall paints.
Yeah. Guys, we stopped here. There is a lot of shops and we're going to have something from here. And also one more thing, we saw this truck.
Here you can see a lot of plants they are getting from down and planting them here. Those are cashew plants.
Cashews.
Yeah. So government is doing this. They are planting all these cashew plants here. So that for making the forest more dense.
Okay, this is for?
This is government scheme, guys. So government is buying all these plants from down, bringing them and planting in the
hills. Okay.
Yeah.
How many these things are there?
మొత్తం ఎన్ని మొక్కలు అన్న?
How many are they planting here?
లోడ్ మొత్తం తెలియదు, డ్రైవర్ అడిగితే తెలుస్తుంది.
ఓకే ఓకే.
ఎందుకంటే ఒక పేరుకి 65 మొక్కలు ఇస్తున్నారు.
ఓకే. Guys, so the thing is the government gave these plants and they are distributing plants. So each pair they are giving 2 plants.
Okay.
Whoever wants to take them and grow them at their home, they are distributing.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's a good strategy by government so that you know we'll have a lot of greenery around us and we'll also have a lot of cashews once they grow. Let's speak to the driver so that he'll have an idea on the count of the.
What is this scheme?
Okay guys, so these 14,000 plants are for distributing to people who wants to take them and grow them at their home. It's a very good strategy by government so that
Yes, guys.
we'll have a lot of greenery around us.
So they are transferring this to this vehicle and they'll be going down and distributing.
Yeah, so all these are cashew plants, guys. So once they after 20 years, so we have 14,000 cashew plants. I don't say it's 20, some 10, 5 years after.
If you plant
So
it all together, you'll get a forest of
Yeah. So it's really brilliant. After 5 years, we'll have a cashew forest.
Wow.
Like that, if we start planting all types of plants now, which means we are planning for future. We are planning for future forest, future environment. It's a great strategy, I would say.
Wow, Nev.
Wow.
Oh,
Wow,
you
I'm
did
proud
a
of
big
myself.
speech. There's a beautiful wind here. You can see, it's an amazing wind. Very heavy wind, guys. Look at all the trees. The wind is so good. One thing that we found amazing is this is the wind over here. You will see here, right?
Yeah, it goes like this.
Yeah, guys, this wind is it's just here, guys. It's not over there. Okay, you can see there the wind is not at all touching. But over here it is a lot, guys. It is like circular motion.
Surrounding around us.
Yeah, it is like a circular motion going inside that forest and coming back here. It is just in this area, guys. That is so good, amazing. I think it's because there is a lot of trees in this area and there is less trees here and there is mountain also. So let's go.
Yeah.
Guys, this wind is just like a cyclone. It's just surrounding this area. You can see, this wind is moving in this direction and you see that? Guys, this is so good. See that? Over there, that bush. Guys, what is it? Bamboo. What is?
I don't know.
Guys, this is bamboo only.
The wind is surrounding. It's not one direction. It's like a round wind.
Guys,
Oh my God.
guys, over here we are having pineapple. This is a very variety of pineapple that is wild pineapple here in Araku Valley.
This type of pineapple is only grow in Araku. Very juicy, sweet pineapples. We don't get it everywhere.
Anyway, guys, let's see.
It's like some other fruit.
This is sugar candy, guys.
Guys,
So juicy.
Very nice.
yeah, some differences there. Guys, it is actually watery. That is the one thing.
Sugar candy, man. So watery. So
It's more watery than the normal pineapple. It's so juicy.
juicy and so sweet. Trust me, have it when you come here.
It is sweet. It's very sweet than like the normal one. It's very sweet and it's very juicy. And the mid part is too hard.
Really.
Which I got is not.
Guys, it is having a very distinct sweetness than normal pineapple.
There is chili powder and salt here. And lemons.
Can you give me the hard part? I actually love it. It's really hard.
It's not like the one you eat generally.
Seriously. Let me check. How's the hardness? Guys, I'm putting...
You can't eat it.
Guys, I'm not able to chew it. It's that hard. Guys, so good with this thing also. But I like the juicy raw one.
But
There is a lot of, you know, shops
it's a
here.
round wind.
Shops here. They are making corns.
Fresh corns.
Fresh corns, guys. Look at
That
the
was my
way they
favorite.
made the...
Oh my god, the corns are boiling inside, guys. If you can see, aren't even sweet corns or normal corns?
Sweet corn kebab.
Okay.
These are normal
Sweet corns, normal corns. Guys, these are the tribal people here in this valley.
Akka, me ill chubistara. House.
Guys, they are not understanding us and also we are not understanding them. They just ran away. Even they don't know Telugu,
Yeah,
right?
they don't know Telugu, guys. It's a different language.
Yes,
They're
guys.
also from here.
Guys, so we are getting back to our car. We're starting the journey to Lambasingi.
Guys, this is one of the probability of hair happening near hairpins.
Guys, now the temperature is 27 degrees. It was 37
It
before.
was 32 and now it's 27. Look at this dense forest. There is completely nothing deep down, guys. These are just the trees that they grew from the bottom to up this tall. Oh my god. Look at that roots falling from the top. These are like banyan trees, but these are not banyan trees. Yeah, so beautiful. There are a lot of pepper plants on the big branches here. Look at the roots falling down. Oh my god, this lorry. So good, yeah. I don't need magical wind or something here.
Guys, we reached Lambasingi. Oh my god, guys, finally it's getting really cold here. Look at the wind here, it's so amazing. You know, Lambasingi is known as the Kashmir of Andhra Pradesh, guys. I can't wait. Guys, we are continuing our journey to Lambasingi, the core area of Lambasingi. Right now we are passing through this beautiful place. It's filled with green. It's more like the nature is attacking us. Look at that green, man. It's a different type of color. Guys, in the distance you are able to see. Oh, guys, it's a tea shop. Guys, let's stop here and have some tea. Wow, it was a long journey. So, guys, there is a lot of local people here. And let's ask them, let's get to know about the place. Guys, this is a small cup of tea, but
Better than other places.
yeah. Guys, this is ginger tea. Nice ginger tea. I think the milk is... No, I think they haven't added any milk. The water. Ah, satisfaction.
Satisfaction after having tea. That's
Ah, amazing, guys.
We saw a few tribes like coming from the local forest with all the fruits and fresh veggies. We thought we can interact with them, but I understood that it's not normal Telugu, guys. I'm
Yeah,
not
guys,
able to
we asked the tea shop
Yeah, but
person.
she is saying that it doesn't have, their language doesn't have even a script.
Uh-huh.
So it's not Telugu, it's still like a tribal language. So even they can't help us to interact with the tribe.
Okay.
No, you need to communicate with your sign.
Sign language.
will work here like what?
You will do well.
These guys have no idea what they
Yeah.
Zoe got a lot of. I asked for a photo to Zoe and she didn't took my photo.
What? But she took... Oh, no. Guys, we have egg photos here.
Guys, for people who don't know, he was obsessed with eggs.
Omelette and tea.
So, yeah.
amazing combo.
This is their kitchen area. Okay, he allowed us inside. Guys, she's making this boiled egg. அண்ணா இங்க பேம்பு சிக்கன் பிரியாணி எங்க கிடைக்கும்?
బ్యాంబూ చికెన్
అరకువే
కొత్తపల్లి జలపాతం జస్ట్ 40 km చాపరాయ దగ్గర కూడా ఉంటుంది.
What is it?
Near Kottapalli and Chaparaya will get
అరకు.
okay. It's the way, guys. Kottapalli, Chaparaya, and then Aరకు.
The famous bamboo chicken biryani we'll get, guys.
Yes,
on the way.
And we'll get chikulu, which are like yeah,
Chiklu,
There's-
famous.
yeah, really tasty, man. There's okay. I'm not going to describe.
Explain this.
Tomorrow, if we come here, there will be Samta, which is like a small exhibition.
Huh? Where?
Yeah.
Over here.
Here,
Okay.
they'll display everything which is from forest, dolls, every fruits, vegetables, roots, everything organic, and also they'll display few clothes like traditional clothing.
Okay.
And all of that. He's saying you guys missed it. It will be
Shish.
tomorrow.
Guys, we missed it. So sorry. Guys, our Fortuner is parked here, right in front of the stall. Guys, this is the school here. Everyone is excited to come to the school. This is a garment
Yeah,
school.
this is a garment school in Lammasingi.
Yes,
and
guys.
you can see a lot of snake plants.
Snake Allah, it's snake plants, guys. All over here. And everyone is over here waiting for me in this. Guys, look at that. Beauty.
The only thing I understand there is election happened here.
Yeah, the words and all are written here.
Guys, the words and all are written. I don't know how to. What is it? Red?
This means first word, second word, directions. You have to go like this. Like
Oh,
this for this
okay.
word. So elections are held in government schools and also these are those marks. And
Guys, let's see their classrooms.
let's
There is a lot of, buildings here. Small, classrooms.
I think this classroom is open. Let's get inside and see.
Guys, this just reminds me of my school, Look at that. They have a big ground. I think if there is a lot of kids, this would have been the most noisiest place.
Yes, I just want to go back to childhood and study in the classroom like
Guys, I just miss schools, guys.
Grassy.
Yeah. Huh?
I feel like rolling on. We will be enjoying it.
Guys, there's a lot of trees in the schools. Schools generally focus on gardening, no? This is naturally in the middle of the forest. They have their school, guys.
It will be so nice.
This is so windy here. The weather is awesome.
I just want to play here like a school
You can see there is a Saraswati idol there symbolizing education.
Education, guys. I think this is a main complex, and these are the classrooms. Bro, is that written since 1978?
Yeah.
Oh God, I think the school is built in 1978.
1978. The whole school is registered. I mean, started in 1978.
Wow, guys, she's going to that old building to take good photos, guys. What is your hair doing? Guys, there is this old building here. Yeah, and also a temple near to it. Wow, guys, this is so beautiful. There is a banyan tree here. Yeah, amazing. And there is a tap water here. Guys, there is this old place. In all this, colleges, there is not colleges, in schools there will be this kind of places where kids will make as their adda, the hub.
They'll have a lot of these stories, ghost stories and shit.
Oh my God, I think this is such a place.
Look at the colors of this. I think this is like the ages of wall paints.
Yeah, I think they scribbled something on it.
Okay. I'm a little scared of snakes, guys.
Guys, I just really miss schools. Guys, this is a view from this ground is so amazing. Look at that mountain.
One side mountains and one side forest.
Catch and catch.
Catch and catch, let's play.
If I catch you, you have to catch the.
No! You have to catch her! Bro, catch her, catch her! You have to. You are caught.
It's not kabaddi.
You're targeted. Bro, you have to catch the other person. Oh God.
I'm out, guys. I'm out. Last is great.
Oh God. I'm going to touch Nev. She's simply sitting there. Nev! She's running! Bro! Don't run, please! I'm sad. You can't touch me. No. I'm cold.
Who is the last person? They will be out.
Guys, this school feels like my school. I don't know, just have that connection.
This few minutes, I felt it like I am a school kid. I am playing like that.
Guys, there is a classroom opened here. Let's go inside that.
Mine is last bench, guys. Sorry. I am the first.
Whoa, guys, this is so good.
There are books and all days of elections.
Guys, Nev is the first bencher. Riggs is the last bencher. She's a late comer.
It's so nice.
It's so perfect. Guys, you know where the most favorite place of mine in the classroom? Window side. Yeah, window side. Guys, their books are kept here. Children have not taken their books.
Because of the COVID, I think the lockdown made them like this. They forgot their books here.
Yeah.
They might be having
Notes, guys.
Hindi notes. Which class?
Bro, beautiful handwriting. Yeah.
I thought it's a dog.
What is that?
This is 8th class.
Guys, biology.
They have a bath. Cell.
Mathematics in Telugu. I'm seeing this for the first
Oh,
time.
really?
Yeah. This is all mathematics in
This
Telugu,
is how
guys.
my parents studied.
Shit. This is Telugu medium mathematics.
What is all written in these walls? It looks like design for me. What is that?
Thinking about the past and spoiling your future is a habit of brainless fools.
Whoa! Wow! Guys,
Timetable.
timetable?
Then is
Guys, look at that! Assembly. I hate assembly.
what is this?
First period is the worst. Second period is the worst. Drinking water break, good.
Amazing.
Third period is okay. Fourth period is the best because we have lunch break. Fifth and sixth period is an amazing period, you know? Finally, Janagana Mana, we are going.
Hello. Bro,
Guys, we got locked inside. What?
Shit, they locked us out.
What? Zoe's?
CC
What is
camera.
Zoe's?
No, look at her.
Guys, our teacher locked us inside. He was saying next period you can.
You guys are talking too much in the class. Punishment for you.
I'm the teacher's purpose.
What is this? You guys locked us inside.
Should give us few chances.
Bye bye guys.
We will let you out after we eat the
Teacher, please, teacher, I'll be the topper next time.
Teacher,
please.
can you give color chalk? Oh guys, this was so nice. I don't know if you will let us out. Oh, she's so kind.
Oh, there is no joke.
We'll complain to principal, guys. Let's go to principal and complain about these teachers.
Yeah, guys, come on, let's go.
Children in the class. What kind of teachers are these people? What is government teachers doing like this? What is
Bro,
government?
Teacher became one of us right now.
Yeah.
Otherwise my job will go.
Guys, everyone is a student. I know all the period of their lives.
I think too. They just completed their examination.
Really?
They're standing outside. Yeah.
What? What? Which class they are studying?
ఏ క్లాస్ చదువుతున్నారు? సెవెంత్ క్లాస్.
Seventh. How was the exam? Good?
Difficult, easy.
How was the exam? Nalla Eidio.
Which class you are studying? Class? Which class?
Class.
Seventh class. Classmates.
Guys, all classmates are here. They just wrote their exam and they are all chilling outside. Last exam, any exam? Last day?
School name is
Elementary school. Name of school? JH Elementary School, guys, in Lambasingi.
Okay.
Lambasingi. And this guy, what is your name? Rohit.
Bye guys. Bye. Bye. Okay guys, we went through school and we played a lot. We went to the classroom. It was so amazing. It was so nostalgic. Everyone enjoyed it.
Great fun there and experience, nostalgia, everything, whatnot.
Yeah, guys.
It's fun.
Super cool. Now we are continuing our journey. Our car is here. So we'll have tea and we'll go. Okay? Washroom?
They won't allow, it seems.
They won't allow.
New people.
Oh yeah, Corona.
Yeah, that's what. Guys, this is a very big problem.
Guys, we're struggling to find out washrooms here.
Difficult to solve.
Yeah, there is no washroom.
There is no
Guys, we asked these
petrol
kids.
pump also.
Yeah.
Otherwise, we would have gone there.
And when
Let's-
we asked the shop guy, he said in half an hour there will be. I don't know how they did.
And they were also saying take a water bottle, go anywhere near this thing.
That's the only solution for now.
Yeah.
No.
If you wanna go, go that way.
And where is their homes?
Meanlak house.
House is it? It come to. కానీ మరి వాళ్ళ మమ్మీ తిడుతుంది కదా
Mummy, we will talk to mummy.
మాట్లాడతాం మమ్మీతో.
వాళ్ళ మమ్మీ లేదు ఇంట్లో
Mummy's not there.
అయితే మంచిదేగా మమ్మీ తిట్టదు.
ఏమో కదా ఒకవేళ
They're saying their parents won't allow, but
Yeah,
Okay.
because of the issues with their mom scolding guys.
okay.
issues guys, that's why.
Okay, guys, it's okay. We'll wait for half an hour. Bye.
Okay, this happens every time to me. I don't know. These are shops, guys. So their houses are not here. So officially bathrooms are not available.
Yeah.
If you wanna go, nature is calling. You can go. That's the reply and the solution.